What's up, guys? This is knivesplus.com. Welcome to another walk around. We are going to be taking a look at the new Benchmade Mini Freek. This is new for 2018 and kind of a scaled down version of the Freek that they did last year. Kind of a compact version of it, and they did quite a few minis this year. They did the Mini Freek, the Mini Boost, Mini Loco, Infidel, and some other. I think those are the only ones. I may be missing one, but you can kind of tell the difference. Quite a bit smaller, really scaled down version. I mean, the original size was a great size, but you know, for some guys it might have been a little bit too large. I'll kind of show you a comparison here. You can see the blade. I mean, it really scaled it down, kind of narrowed it out here, shortened the blade as well. You got a 3-inch blade on the Mini Freek, and then the handles are scaled down quite a bit too, whereas you have about a 4-inch handle or a close length here. So a really cool knife, great for EDC, lightweight too, only weighs about 2.5 ounces, and just overall really impressed with this knife. Would definitely be something that I'd carry. It is a smaller handle. I have smaller hands, so it fits nicely in my hand, but a guy that has a larger size hand, that may not be a good pick for you. But opens and closes, just glides right out of there. Very smooth action on it. Still has the S30V blade still, drop point blade, flat grind here. Gonna be real easy to resharpen this thing, and sharpens up to a razor. You got some jimping on the thumb ramp here as well, and really feels nice in the hand, especially with the handle that they did. You basically have a rubberized type grip here, and then this is hard plastic. It's got some fancy names on it, but we're just gonna go with that. Really grips the hand though. If your hands were wet, dirty, whatever, you're gonna still have a great grip on that knife. Axis lock, super easy to unlock, strong lock as well. Benchmade uses it on almost all of their knives. So you do have a pocket clip. It is tip up carry, right or left hand, so it is reversible, and you do have a small lanyard hole in the end there. So these are available at knivesplus.com, and I will drop a link down in the info section. Get on over to knivesplus.com to learn more.